Hello everybody, nice to have you here. Today I have another Adobe Builder use case for you, and that's I guess one of the not so many I have currently in production and be used already on a live project. So I want to share it with you. It's quite a small one, so take your coffee and enjoy the not very long session here. So the use case we have Adobe Commerce System from one side, and we have Adobe Experience Manager on another side. Adobe Experience Manager users want to have their wish list. Adobe Commerce has a wish list as a feature, so that's the way you can add the new products there, and then you can retrieve them later and to have the page where all your products are got listed. But one add-on. First one, Adobe Experience Manager or the client wants to have wish list for the guest users, which is not out of box in Magento. So when I'm on a system, I want to add the product to the wish list, so then I have it saved later, then I open the wish list, choose what I want to buy, and I'm buying it. I don't need to have an account. Second point, I want to be able to wish list the pages. So there are kind of content pages, which can also contain some PDFs to download, some additional information, so I want to wish list them, have them all in one place, and then let's say read them through later on. Yes, we're talking about Adobe Experience Manager, so it's not only about the product, it's more about the content here. So, as you can see, Adobe Commerce is not really capable to do it. From another point of view, Adobe Experience Manager don't want to create or use additional persistent storage to save all this information. So our solution was, let's use Adobe Builder. That's a great use case for it. It don't require a lot of modifications, and it's quite a simple extension. From one point of view, you can also build it on Adobe Commerce. Just create a new model, create an APIs, and then you have a bunch of the code you need to maintain. Also take care about updates in the future and so on and so on. As for me, much easier to build the service because you rely on APIs. That's much easier than to rely on a PHP. Sorry, PHP. So I want to share you the architecture of the module we built, and you can see it on the screen now. As you can see, we have Magento, Adobe Commerce System, we have Adobe Experience Manager, and we have a builder application, which is technically just a key value storage for your wish list. So on Adobe Experience Manager, we have an action that's triggered when the user click add to wish list for the product, for the CMS page, or for anything else. We're not really limited to the objects here, and then it's been just got saved to the key value storage, where we have a customer ID, for example, product SKU, another SKU, another page, and so on. So we just built in the more or less the indexes there. For the guest user, we just can rely on the session ID, so we generate the session, and then it's connected to your browser, and then you also add in as many products as you want to. And again, you can also add the products, you can add CMS pages, and you can have as many different elements as you want to. So you're not really limited to anything. And that's it. So it's very simple. We have like 3 endpoints there available, which is save wish list, get by ID, and delete it. And it's very easy to manage. It's not require any maintenance at all, honestly. I mean, such simple operations where you can operate with persistent storage outside of your system, it's super simple. And from the development point of view, it took us 1 or 2 hours to develop the stuff, which for Adobe Commerce will take same or more, and then you can also count the maintenance on top of it. So it was a very short video for today, and if you want to hear the more such videos, don't forget to subscribe, because I know a lot of you watching and don't subscribe, and see you on the next series. Bye bye, have a nice day.